Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this new video here on Fetch. While I'm also keeping my eyes on Bitcoin here, but no, someone requested this, so I thought let's make an update on this. And I know quite a lot of you are interested in this in this as well. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. Fetch has been quite bullish. Compared to the market, though, it's been quite weak. If you take a look at this. Like since Tuesday last week, so in a week we've gone up a total of about, from the bottom to the top 50%. I think most altcoins actually did better than that. So that's slightly worrying, not too much yet. But the thing is that if you take a look at Fetch right here, and it's better to see here on the three-day time frame, I think we've been mostly consolidating. All right. And right now, with the bullish momentum, we've not broken above that consolidation. I think the main level we need to break above to actually break this consolidation is this level here at 1.6. So then the big question is, do we actually have some sort of an indication that we will break above that level? And at the moment, we've been rejected at that level, spiked down above that as well, right? So that's a bit of a good sign, and we're actually gaining, or at least we gained quite a lot of momentum as well in the last week. But for now, I'm not convinced. And I think in general, I think the structure is quite clearly a consolidation here. In general, a good rule to follow in crypto is that if you have a clear structure, it is always most likely that that structure is going to hold, all right? You need a real reason to break the structure. And when we're looking at Fetch right now, obviously the markets are very bullish. So I would say that's enough of a reason to be ready for the breakout. And I do think you need to be ready for a breakout above 1.6. That if we actually do get some sort of a 4-hour or 12-hour time frame close above that level, I do think you should, it's almost a guaranteed buy for me. But then when we're talking about reasons to actually get that breakout, such as momentum, which we did have momentum, excuse the telephone in the background, but we did have momentum, but right now it's dropping after hitting resistance. So that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. And then I would also say that there is no real AI narrative at the moment, all right? You can see that coins like Tau, something like WorldCoin, something like Render has been quite strong. Not sure how long that phone is going to continue. But some AI coins are quite strong, and Near has also been quite strong. But then Fetch hasn't been that strong, first of all, and it also doesn't feel like the entire AI narrative is here fully, all right? For those of you who still remember back in February and March, for example, I mean, back then AI coins did like a 5x in a week. And I still think that's coming, especially also with NVIDIA earnings coming up. But like I said, there's not enough indication of that AI narrative being that strong right now. There's no real narrative behind Fetch right now, which by the way, we're also still waiting for some sort of an update on the whole Fetch to ASI transition, which right now it's very unclear as well what's going on with that. I would say that's fundamentally that's bearish as well. You cannot even find it, or I'm typing I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so here you can find it, but it's still called Fetch, right? The token is still Fetch. So we're waiting for that as well. That could be a catalyst if they actually announce something great for that. But like I said, for now, I don't think we'll break out. I think we'll remain bullish on the lower time frames. But ultimately, I think we'll continue this pullback here, perhaps get some sort of a spike into 1.1. And then ultimately, if we actually do get some strong momentum, volume, and some sort of a narrative, we'll break out and we'll be at $2 before you know it. But right now, I don't think that's most likely to happen. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.